Hi everyone, Mr. Daniel here, and look, I'm at the zoo! Oh, I am so excited, and Miss Anna is here today too, getting everything ready to play with our zoo crew. Now, for today's class, you're gonna need a couple items. First, let's grab some shakers. If you don't have shakers already, you can find some at our shop online, but you can also grab a water bottle with some beads or some rice or some beans to go in and make a nice shaker. Then we are going to get a rolled up hand towel that we can hold in our hands so we can go on some travels all the way to the zoo. I am so excited, and it might be time to getting started. In fact, you know what? I think I hear some bells ringing.
Bells are ringing, hear them chime, calling all the children, calling all the monkeys. Ooh, ah, ah, ah. It's romp and roll time, it's romp and roll time. Hello everybody! Today we are going on a super fun special adventure to the zoo. Oh yeah, we're gonna see all sorts of animals. We might see a snake, or a lion, or even a couple monkeys. But my favorite animal of all is missing. He is a puppy dog, and his name is Rompy. So I want to make sure he gets out here so he can come with us to the zoo too. What we want to do is call him out. So everybody put your arms to the side like this. Whoosh. And we're going to rock back and forth and back and forth and sing, oh where can Rompy be? Oh where can he be? With his big brown eyes, let's all point to our eyes, boop, 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 boop. And his waggly tail. Oh where can he be? I know, friends. Let's all count to the number 3 on our fingers. And when we get to 3, we're going to say, come out, Rompy! Really, really loud so we can hear us with his big old floppy ears, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Come out, Rompy! Let's see if we can find him. Rompy! I don't see Rompy, but I see a zebra. Rompy. I see an elephant and a snake and some monkeys and a puppy dog. Rompy is here and he wants to say hello to everybody. So let's all rock side to side like this and we'll sing, oh, here we are at Romp and Roll, at Romp and Roll, at Romp and Roll. Oh, here we are at Romp and Roll. Go whoosh. And wiggle your hands and jiggle your hands and say, let's get ready for some fun. And fun with Audrey, and fun with Malachi, and fun with Emma, and fun with Elena, and fun with Tristan, and fun with Jake, and fun with Claire, and fun with Mia, and fun with Jessie, and fun with Shep, and fun with Michaela, and fun with Miles, and fun with James, and fun with Samantha, and fun with Miss Anna, and fun with Rompy, and all of his friends. Oh, here we are at Romp and Roll, whoosh. Get ready for some fun! And we are going to have so much fun at the zoo today. Now, Rompy packed a special backpack for the zoo, and I want to see what's inside. So let's all pat our legs like this, and we're gonna say, what's in the backpack? What's in the backpack? What's in the backpack? Let's all look. Get out your binoculars so you can see all the animals. Ooh, what animals do I have in my backpack? Oh, I have a very silly song. It's called Teasing Mr. Alligator. That doesn't sound like a very good idea to tease an alligator. Now, we have two animals in this song. We have a monkey and we have an alligator. So we have to get ready to be both of them. This is how the song goes. It goes, 3 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. And then Mr. Alligator comes up and we have to be very quiet. We go, along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. Get ready to be the alligator, 'cause he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. And then we're gonna count down, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get ready. 3 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. And he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. 2 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. And he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. Oh no, how many monkeys are left? 1 little monkey swinging in a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. And he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. Now there are no more monkeys in the tree. And do you know what Mr. Alligator did with all those monkeys? They had a party, alligator monkey party, ooh, 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 and snap. Oh yeah. Cool, guys, that was a really fun song. And now, since we're talking about monkeys, I wonder if we can stretch and shimmy and move our bodies like some monkeys too, okay? So let's get our arms ready. Monkeys love to wiggle and jiggle their arms. And I think that first, we should see if we can walk around like a gorilla. We're gonna pretend like, kind of looks like we're a frog, but we're gonna put our fists down like this so we can walk. Can you try to jump up and down like this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, walk all around. We can walk backwards and forwards like a gorilla. Okay, now that we're gorillas, we're gonna stand up. We're gonna pretend to be monkeys, okay? Go whoop. And we are gonna wiggle and jiggle our arms. First thing we can do is do the monkey. Can we put our arms out in front of us and go up and down like we're doing the monkey? Oh yeah, we're doing the monkey. Oh yeah, we're doing the monkey. Now, for a little extra challenge, do you think that you can put one arm up while the other one goes down? Like this? Switching back and forth. Oh yeah, do the monkey. Oh yeah, do the monkey. Nice. All right, now next, we are going to put our little monkey arms in front of us like we're grabbing a banana, like this. So we're gonna go all the way back and forward and grab your banana. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no, we missed. All right, let's try again. Go back and forward to grab your banana. Ooh, 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 ah, ah. And back and forward. Grab the banana, grab your banana. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. And one more time, go all the way back. And forward, grab the banana, grab, grab, grab. We got the banana. Let's celebrate by banging on our chest. Oh, can you bang on your chest like this? Oh, and if you make a noise, your voice might sound funny too. Ooh, ah. Now that we have our banana, I think it's time to go bananas. Let's get ready. We're gonna be the banana. Put your arms up. Bananas unite. Bananas split. Now go. Bananas. Go, go, bananas. Go, bananas. Go, go, bananas. Bananas to the left. Whoa. Bananas to the right. Whoa. Now peel your banana and take a bite. All right, now that you saw me do it, do you think we can all do it together? Are we ready to be a whole bunch of bananas? I think we are. Let's get ready to be a banana, and bananas unite. Bananas split. Now go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, bananas to the left, whoa, bananas to the right, whoa. Now peel your banana and home. Take a bite. Ooh yeah, taste that delicious potassium. Amazing. You guys were great monkeys, and you were also great bananas, which is really hard to accomplish. So good job, everybody. Whoa, oh my goodness, I'm dizzy. All right, friends, now it is time to hop in the car to go to the zoo. So everybody, let's get in our car. And all you need to be able to go to the zoo with me today is a rolled up towel, just like this. So are you guys ready to go to the zoo and see all the different animals we'll see? On your mark, get set, go! Let's tap our towel. I went to the zoo today to find out what the animals say. I said to the elephant, how do you do? And he said, from me to you. Let's all go back. Whoa! All right, let's go up and down with our hands now. I went to the zoo today to find out what the animals say. I said to the tiger, how do you do? And he said, roar! From me to you. Let's go back. Whoa! Nice. Can we see if we can tap our band all the way on our toes? I went to the zoo today to find out what the animals say. I said to the snake, how do you do? And he said, from me to you. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go all the way back. Nice. Can we go side to side? I went to the zoo today to find out what the animals say. I said to the monkey, how do you do? And he said, ow! From me to you. Let's go back. Whoa! Nice. All right, I think it's time to drive away. Go back. I went to the zoo today to find out what the animals say. I said to the animals, how do you do? What they say? Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Whee! Nice. Freestyle. How many wiggly shapes can you make with your towel? Wow. Awesome job, guys. We saw lots of animals at the zoo. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness, what is that I hear in the distance? Hello? Who is that? Oh my goodness, what's happening? Whoa, whoa, look at this. It looks like 4 little monkeys escaped from the zoo, and they are jumping all over me. Whoa, I think that we should try to sing them a song to stop being so rambunctious. Oh, goodness, 4 little monkeys. I wonder what song we can sing them to get them to stop jumping around. I'm going to use my egg shakers, but if you don't have these at home, you can use anything that makes noise. All right, let's get started. These monkeys are going crazy. Ready? Go! Shake 'em! 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh no, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Stop! Let's tap. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh my, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Stop! Let's drum. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh no, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Stop! Can we go up and down?
1 little monkey jumping on the bed.
He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Stop! And circle.
Little monkeys
Jumping on the bed, they all fell off and bumped their heads. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, now put those monkeys back to bed. Stop! Freestyle. No more monkeys. Those monkeys are back in bed. Monkey, monkey went to bed. Bow. Excellent job, everybody. I think that those monkeys are all tired out. Woo! All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming with me on my adventure to the zoo today. But now it's time to say goodbye. So can everybody show me where your hands are? Let's take our little hands and go clap, 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 clap. Let's take our little hands and go clap, 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 clap. Let's take our little feet and go stomp, 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 stomp. Let's take our little feet and go stomp, 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 stomp. Let's take our little fists and go thump, 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 thump. Let's take our little fists and go thump, 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 thump. Now let's take our little hands and wave bye, 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 bye. Let's take our little hands and wave bye, bye, bye. We'll see you here next time. Goodbye, Miles. Goodbye, James. Goodbye, Samantha. We'll see you here next time. Goodbye, Luca. Goodbye, Aria. Goodbye, Chloe. We'll see you here next time. Goodbye, Candace. Goodbye, Joshua. Goodbye, Neo. We'll see you here next time. Goodbye, Ezra. Goodbye, Penny. Goodbye, Zane. We'll see you here next time. Goodbye, Joy. Goodbye, Miss Anna and Rompy. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you here next time. Bye, everybody. I'll see you next time.
Waiting.